Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace your Porsche key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to do is slide this locking tab to the right and press up to release the emergency key. You can do it with your fingers, but I prefer a small pocket screwdriver. Now that you have separated the emergency key from the key fob, while it's sticking out just a little bit, pry towards yourself and you will separate the back cover from the key fob. Now you can replace your 2032 key fob battery. Once you replace your 2032 key fob battery, you will take the back end cover, put this end first and click it in. Then you will take the emergency key, put it back inside of the hole, and you have just replaced your Porsche key fob battery. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up.